For the new BMW 3 Series, installing spacers are a fantastic way to give your BMW a more aggressive look and improve its handling dynamics. By spacing the wheels out, you are reducing the car's roll center and increasing stability.
Proper-sized BMW spacers provide a perfect flush stance and keep your car from rubbing each other. Whether you are upsizing your wheels, installing bigger brake calipers, or simply widening the car's track, this will spacers turn out to be the most cost-effective way to solve fitment issues. If you install them properly, high-quality BMW spacers are exactly safe for daily driving. BONOSS Sport Lightweight Plus wheel spacers for BMW are machined with hollow carb. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced over 30%. The weight of this BONOSS wheel spacer is quite insignificant, and they won't damage any suspension parts.
Unlike their non-hub-centric counterparts, these spacers are designed to fit snugly over the BMW hub assembly, ensuring a perfect fit and alignment, which is crucial for maintaining the balance and stability of your vehicle. With hub-central spacers installed, you'll notice an immediate difference in the stance of your BMW. But the benefits go beyond aesthetics. These spacers improve handling by widening the vehicle's track width and enhancing stability, especially during high-speed cornering. They allow for a broader choice of wheels and can help avoid clearance issues with big brake kits. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications.
Installing wheel spacers on BMW can change the wheel offset. They enlarge the options of wheel and tire combinations. If you have aftermarket wheels that don't have the ideal offset, the BMW wheel spacer can help achieve perfect fitment. No matter which size wheel spacer you choose, choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure the safety. If you need any help with the wheel spacer selections, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye-bye.